watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer, and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. Corona recovery program है आपका one-stop solution to fix all these problems. ये easy to follow regimen specifically डिज़ाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं हैं. Simple to follow, slow and control body movement से ये प्रोग्राम आपके स्टैमिना को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा. Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. So guys, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ सिंपल और इजी बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके. ये सभी मूवमेंट्स आप सिटिंग या स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में कर सकते हैं एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस. आज की हमारी फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है चेस्ट ओपनर्स. Lift your arms up until they're parallel to the ground. Deep breath in, deep breath out, and relax. Again, arms parallel to the ground. Breathe in, out, down. Let's perform 8 repetitions. Make sure that your breathing is synchronized with your movements. Breathe in as you lift. Breathe out as you lower down. Breathe in as you lift. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is our arm stretch. Interlock your fingers like so. Take a deep breath in. Stretch up. And breathe out. And relax. इसकी भी हम करेंगे 8 repetitions. Breathe in as you lift up. Sit tall, spine erect, stretched up. Breathe out as you relax. One more time. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is single arm side dips. So dip on the side and switch your side. Let's perform 8 repetitions on each side. One last time. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is wrist rotations. Stretch your arms out in front of you. Make a fist and rotate, making circles. And the opposite. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is some neck movement, starting with neck left to right. So make sure you're sitting properly with your back straight. Shoulders should be relaxed. Look over your left shoulder and slowly over to the right. And over to the left and the right. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is neck tilts left to right. Tilt on the right side and slowly stretch and tilt on the left side. Make sure that you do not move your shoulders, keep them fixed and stable. The movement is only in the neck. Do remember to perform this movement slowly. If you feel dizzy, you can stop, take a break, and resume again. And relax. Last up, guys, is neck nods. So lift your chin up as you take a deep breath in. Breathe out as you tuck your chin into the chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is sitting marching chops. Lift your hands overhead and bring them down as you lift the alternate knee to the chest. Sitting marching chops. Eight repetitions on each side. And relax. Up next, guys, is sitting knee tucks. So lift your knee up to the chest and down. We will perform this movement on alternate sides. Eight repetitions on each side. Up next, guys, sitting knee extensions. Also, we'll perform this alternatively. 8 repetitions on each side. Knee stable. Perform this movement slowly. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is our wide angle calf lifts. So point your toes out, put your weight on the knees, and lift your ankles up. 8 repetitions. and relax. Finally guys, आज की हमारी last movement है ankle rotations. Lift one leg up and make circles with your ankle. 8 circles in each direction. Opposite. Let's change our leg. Again, big circles with your ankles and your feet. And 8 circles in the counterclockwise direction. And relax. So guys, ये थे हमारी आज की warm up movements and I hope that you're sufficiently warmed up. Now we'll begin our asanas. So guys, आज का हमारा first आसन है उत्कट आसन, also known as the goddess squat pose. इसे हम करेंगे standing position में. Make sure that you're balanced, keep your toes pointed out, stand with your legs wider than your shoulder stance. Lift up, breathe in, breathe out as you lift your arms up and sit into a squat. Toes are pointed out, knees are opening out, palms are facing in the front, and hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है मल आसन, also known as the garland pose. इसे हम करेंगे squat position में. Open your feet just a little bit wider than your shoulders. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out as you join your hands together and lower down into a full squat. Make sure your elbows are inside your knees, pushing them out, and you're sitting in deep. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है सेतुबंद आसन, also known as the bridge pose. इसे हम करेंगे supine position में, so अपने बैक के ऊपर लेट जाएं. Keep your knees bent. Take a deep breath in as you lift your hip up and interlock your fingers like so. Tuck your shoulders in, lift as high as you can. Hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है सुप्त मत्स्येंद्र आसन, also known as the supine spinal twist. इसे भी हम करेंगे आपकी बैक के ऊपर. So make sure you lie down on your back, legs straight down. Bring your right knee to the chest. Hold it with the left hand. Right hand goes on the side. And the right knee goes all the way down across the body, stretching your spine. Look over your right shoulder. Slowly come back and relax. We will repeat the same asana on the other side, Supta Matsyendra Asana, also known as the spinal twist. Bring your left knee in. Hold the left knee with the right hand. Left hand goes on the side. Bring the knee across the body, all the way down, touching the floor. Look over your left shoulder. Come back and relax. So guys, ये थे हमारे आज के आसन्स. अब हम करेंगे कुछ breathing exercises to improve your oxygen saturation. आज की हमारी first breathing exercise है शीतली breath. इसको हम करेंगे through the teeth. Inhale through the teeth, out through the nose. इस प्राणायाम को हम परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं 1 to 2 minutes तक. It really helps when it's very hot. It helps to bring your body temperature down. शीतली breath. Relax. अगर आप प्राणायाम को करते करते breathlessness को फील करें या fatigue फील करें, you can always take a break and resume again when you feel better. आज की हमारी next exercise है deep belly breathing. इसे हम करेंगे lying down supine position में. So अपने बैक पर लेट जाएं. Keep one hand over the rib cage and one hand on your belly. जब आप सांस अंदर खींचें तो अपनी बेली को राइज करते हुए फील करें. मुंह से सांस को बाहर छोड़ें. And be aware of your belly falling down. This is known as belly breathing. Pay special focus on your stomach expanding and deflating with every breath. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Belly expanding, belly falling. Repeat for up to 2 minutes. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की exercises and I hope that you're not too tired. Consistency is the name of the game here. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So take it easy and let your body do its healing. Do subscribe to the Dainik Savera channel for cutting-edge fitness challenges. Happy healing!